Welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the side twist ladder braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, you're going to gather all the hair to the side. Now you're going to take a small piece right here on the right, and you're going to go ahead and start the ladder braid. You're going to take this, take your 2 fingers, put it between here like that, grab the tail, go under, grab it under and over, and grab it with your 2 fingers. Tighten it up. Then you're going to take a small section right here. It's going to be the same amount. You're going to take these 2 and you're going to twist it. You're going to twist it 3 times. You're going to take the right and twist it to the left. That's 1, 2, 3. And then this strand right here is going to be right under here. You're going to just take it like that, and this strand here you're going to go ahead and do the knotted loop. So you're going to grab the tail, put your 2 fingers right there, grab the tail with those 2 fingers. Then find that one section here that you twisted and go ahead and tighten that up. Okay, you're going to tighten that up. Now you're going to take this one here behind that tail. Okay? Now you'll have a twist right here. Now you're going to take a new section right here. Same amount as this one. You're going to repeat the same steps. Take the right, twist it to the left. 1, 2, 3 times. And this is going to go right here, and then you're going to take this, put your 2 fingers right here, grab the tail under and over, and make that loop. Now you're going to find that knot, or find this strand, and tighten it. Take this strand here and put it in the back. That's all there is to it. I'm going to find a new one. Okay, so you're going to end up finding a new section right here, same amount, and then just do it all over again. You're going to just repeat the same steps. That one's going to go over to the left, twist it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold that strand, make that loop and that knot, bring it through, find that strand right here, and tighten. You take this strand and bring it in the back, behind it, behind that tail, and pick up a new section. That's all there is to it. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. I'm going to stop right here and gather it all together and put an elastic band just like that. Go ahead and just adjust these strands right here, and there you have it. Final spin.
So a trip down to the coast. You love me, I loved you most. Drove all night to get to Tallahassee.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below. If you like these videos, please help to support us by clicking the super thanks heart icon and donating to our channel. Any amount is appreciated, or try the products we use through the links in the description.
We love feedback. Such epic success and following our videos with parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, have a great week and God bless.